how can you bring an ecosystem into your existing app? As an app grows, it often runs into the same challenge. More features mean more native development. Development cycles become longer, releases slow down, and every new feature requires planning, testing, and publishing across iOS, Android, and HarmonyOS. A significant amount of engineering effort ends up being spent on platform compatibility instead of delivering business value. A modern solution to this problem is a mini app container architecture. On the client side, you simply integrate a lightweight Mini App SDK into your existing application. Once integrated, your app gains the ability to run mini apps natively. Instead of building every new feature directly into the main application, functionality can be modularized into independent mini apps that are dynamically deployed, updated on demand, and iterated independently. Marketing campaigns, lifestyle services, content portals, live commerce, customer engagement tools, and many other business scenarios can all be launched as mini apps without modifying the core application. Better yet, the same mini app can run seamlessly across iOS, Android, and HarmonyOS, significantly reducing cross-platform development and maintenance costs. On the cloud side, a dedicated mini app management platform provides centralized control over application publishing, version management, phased rollouts, permission reviews, and lifecycle management. It also enables enterprises to open their ecosystem to external partners. Existing third-party mini apps can be published into your app with minimal effort, no secondary development required. The result is a scalable ecosystem where enterprises can rapidly introduce thousands of mini apps and digital services without rebuilding their existing applications. If you're exploring how to build an open app ecosystem or a super app strategy, feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to share real-world implementation cases and best practices.